something undesirable happened there, and that's why they all of a sudden they had to close it.
Welcome back, viewers. So we came down from Barsey to Himalayas through the same route, but this time I didn't do the vlog. Rather, I concentrated on enjoying the nature. At Himalayas, our car was waiting to take us to our next destination.
So guys, the thing is that we do not have any plans right now. We are crossing Melli. Okay, this is down there is Teesta river, and we are walking from Sikkim to West Bengal, 2 states, like, and you can see the difference as well. Like you can see what is the place, how it looks behind me, and you can also see the place how it looks in front of me. That is West Bengal. You can see the difference, isn't it? Okay. So we are like backpackers, and I don't know what the next plan is. Maybe we will get a vehicle, and up to which place we get, we'll go, and then we can enjoy good winds and people rafting over there. And next, what they rafting or anything. So guys, something happened for which we didn't plan. At first my plan was to go for Rinchenpong, and then suddenly we had changed our plan to go towards Teesta Bazaar for rafting and camping, river camping. Now we had booked also. Today we reached here for camping, but the catch is the thing is that something undesirable happened there, and that's why they all of a sudden they had to close it. And anyhow, they have refunded our advance amount, and now we will be heading towards Kalimpong from here. That's what, like whenever something happens, we have to adjust according to the situation, and we are planning and we are doing accordingly. So right now we are heading towards Kalimpong, and it was really hot out there in the Melli area. It was really downwards, and in the Teesta river valley it was really hot, like what we are feeling in the plains. But now while we are going towards Kalimpong, it gives a little relief as we are again going uphill. So the weather is going to be pleasant out there. We expect that. Okay, so see you after reaching Kalimpong. Hey guys, so I have reached Kalimpong. We have checked into a hotel now. Right behind me you can see the sunset. So we are quite tired right now. We gotta freshen up and go out to explore the city. Okay, don't know how much we can explore today. I was actually trying to find a motorcycle. It would have been convenient for us, but we couldn't find any bike rental service here. So anyway, we are gonna walk a bit and move around the city and explore whatever is available. Okay, so see you. So from the mountain top of Barsey, we have come to a hill station city, Kalimpong, and we are walking through the streets, and yeah, we can feel the hustle bustle, we can feel the difference. It's full of people, full of shops, and lots of automobiles, noise, chaos. Anyway, we are used to it, but since 2 days we have been such a place that yeah, we are a little bit in crowded places and noise is feeling a bit. So let's see. We are walking on the streets. So right now we are trying out some street foods, local street foods at the Kalimpong. So let's see how it tastes like. We're trying out chicken safari. It's sort of okay. Sort of okay. And because we can find Shefali.
Do you recommend this place to your viewers?
Yeah, if they come here, they can have. It's sort of nice. So my friend has also liked the street food here. So he's also having chicken shefali right now. And this is why we are currently sitting and having our street food. Just look at the place.
हमको पहले ही कहना चाहिए
क्योंकि अपनी मोटामोटी एक डेढ़ महीने के बाद सुबह दोपहर खाली करनी पड़ेगी। हाँ इस तरह पुराना।
So guys, it's already 8:20 in the evening, and as this is a hill station, all of the shops are mostly closed here. So only this cafe is open, this Annapurna cafe. As you can see, it looks quite nice. I'm mesmerized with its looks. And it's really well decorated. So anyway, we are already having filled stomachs. So I just ordered a soup here. We're just going to have a soup, light food here. Anyhow, but I recommend this place. Everybody to visit this place at least once, because whenever you come to Kalimpong, you will really enjoy this place. You know, it looks so nice. Hanging birds. Just look at how well decorated this place is. And this, yeah, this music is also very nice here. Anyway, it's awesome ambience. So here's my food. It's chicken manchow soup. Okay, because stomach's already filled, so I've ordered some light food. But I don't know how we'll feel like. Let me taste it first. It tastes nice. Recommended. So guys, it's already 9 p.m. here in Kalimpong. Yes, you can see here all the shops are closed. Now we are having a night walk around the streets of Kalimpong. And yes, we are enjoying it. Hopefully. And we are going towards our hotel now. And we are quite tired and we'll have a sleep there. So signing off early today. So good night all of you. So good morning, Suprabhat. It's a good morning here at Kalimpong. Really cool morning, cool winds blowing. খুব সুন্দর পরিবেশ এখানে। আজকে তা এখানে একটা কিছু দেখা যাচ্ছে যে খুব সুন্দর সুন্দর বাড়ি আছে এখানে, really good houses. Like you'll fall in love. Like there's one under construction. I can see a house over there with gardens, and look at that house here. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful house. People dream of having such house. Really, I also have a dream of having such house at such a place. Hopefully, I don't know what will happen. Anyway, so here is a view. It's quite hazy actually here in Kalimpong. Anyway, so see you later. We have some plans today. Let's see if that works out. So guys, I am here at Delo for paragliding, and hopefully everything goes well and I get a good footage and I also enjoy, so that I can upload and you people can also enjoy. So we are moving upwards towards the takeoff zone. Come on, let's go. Look at this place. It looks so amazing.